Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bug workflow with GitHub Issues labels, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore bug workflow with GitHub Issues labels, start by navigating to your GitHub repository. Click on the Issues tab located at the top of the repository page. Select the issue you want to label for bug tracking. On the right side of the issue page, find the Labels section. Click on the gear icon next to Labels to open the Label Management menu. If you don't see a bug label, you may need to create one. Click on the New Label button. In the dialog that appears, enter bug as the label name. Choose a color that represents this label effectively. Click on Create Label to save it. Once you have your bug label, return to your issue. Now, click the Labels section again. Select the bug label to apply it to your issue. This categorizes the issue as a bug, making it easy to filter later. Next, consider adding additional labels for better organization. For example, you might want to add labels for priority or components related to the bug. Click Labels once more and select any relevant labels. This will help your team understand the context of the issue quickly. After labeling, check the issue comments section for any necessary updates. Add a comment detailing the steps to reproduce the bug, if applicable. Encourage team members to check the issue regularly for updates. To track all bugs efficiently, use the Labels filter in your issues list. This allows you to view all issues tagged with the bug label in one place. You can also create a project board to visualize and manage bugs. Head to the Projects tab and create a new project for bug tracking. Invite team members to collaborate on the project board. This enhances visibility and accountability for bug resolution. Regularly review and update the status of bug issues in your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.